Hello, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Sour Patch Mini Bites squishy. I love a Sour Patch Mini Bites wrapper. So you can use all kinds of different candy wrappers. I'm using a Sour Patch Mini Bites. And what I got for the stuffing here is I got a Super 1 bag. I cut it in half because I thought it might be too much. So I got some scissors. I also got some tape to tape it shut. I'm going to open this, and I'm going to start stuffing it with a Super 1 bag. This can also be a prank, because it looks like it's full, but when someone opens it, it's not. It looks like more thicker. It's fun to squish. Super easy way without drawing to make it squishy. There we go. That's about it. So we'll close that. I'm going to tape it shut. You don't have to tape it shut if it sticks shut, but I'll do it anyways. Just to make sure it doesn't come open. And I might try to prank someone with this. Alright, and that's it. Here's my Sour Patch Mini Bites squishy. Looks kind of real, does it? You can just squish it. And I hope you enjoyed this video.